Rumor has it you have a problematic dishwasher.
I mean, you didn't have to come by. I was just going to call a guy.
Pope, I am the guy. Oh, my.
Yeah, it took a while, but I got the situation under control.
With towels.
I didn't say I fixed it. This is the pre-call a guy solution.
I would like a soda.
Are you thirsty?
Yes.
Good. Use that. No sodas until we are done.
All I did was put in dirty dishes and press start.
Did you rinse the dishes?
They say you don't have to. Now I know you have to.
You respect a machine. It returns the respect when the trust is broken.
So is the machine.
Good.
Yeah, what do I know about fixing dishwashers?
More than you think. Dele, give him the screwdriver.
What?
I see it now. I am not here to fix a dishwasher. I am here to fix you.
How's that soda?
Very good.